Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool, clear Trimline telephone. These were very sought after and collectible. And this is Craig's equipment, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now, Craig's got a note with this unit, and he's talking about he cannot dial out. So we want to take a look at that issue. We also noticed that the numbers on the keypad are pretty worn out, so we want to replace the keypad buttons. We also want to take a look at the bell and try to adjust the bell for the most action. So we're trying to get the best ring that we can out of a small bell. We also want to take a look at all of the solder connections on the two main PC boards for the base unit and the handset. We will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool clear Trimline telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an open amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press that button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll go ahead and release it. Press it one more time. And release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, and we were able to adjust the bell, but if it's going to sit on a towel, it will muffle the sound. And so we're just going to go ahead and hold the telephone up so that you can hear the ring cycle properly. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to go ahead and hit reset and redial. And our analyzer will end in a 2. Now we want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Saturday, August 24th. The current time, 6:15 p.m. and the temperature, 72 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll give you some dial tone. And we'll call my number, and it will be busy. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool, clear Trimline telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Craig, and he can enjoy this unit. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.